Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama Yong. Malaysia turn 62. Pandai lah, so clever. Ibu turn 26, Malaysia turn 62. Patutlah ada Ibu Raya KLCC Malaysia. Sampai dia. To Ibu from Abang. Hello Ibu, we love you very much. We are sorry if we have done anything wrong. If you were here, we would not. We really appreciate you helping us all the time. Of course, I'm your Ibu, right? And we are happy you are you. Thank you and happy birthday. Masih ada sambung. Macam mana?
Tengok tu tak tahu tu.
Happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of all of us. We all love you. I love you too. Wow, lost sticker.